You telling us? Are you telling a story? What? Such a noisy boy in the morning. I can't believe that happened. I know, it's crazy. You're just telling stories. Why do you have your hand and your arm in front of your face? Can't see you. Peekaboo. Oh. Sure don't act like you're getting too big fat front teeth. That's a good thing. Happy morning time. You can throw them away. Kick those legs.
He is a goofball.
He is a goofball right now. He's a chatterbox like his mama. What do you think, babe? It was funny, Braylon. The second we hung up Skype from Nan and Papa, you were a jabberbat. What? What? I'm still here. I'm still listening. I'm still listening. What is your major malfunction now? Shh. Get your belly. I tickle you. I tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. All right. Are you done? Tell me how hard it is to be a baby, Braylon. How hard is it? You have to do all that? And that?